News now from Assam. A Guwahati court has convicted 11 of the 16 accused in the 9th of July incident that saw the molestation of a young girl that enraged the entire country. She was molested and beaten up by dozens of men as many more watched her being dragged and assaulted. A reporter from a local television channel was present there. He filmed the entire incident, which was aired on his channel. He was also arrested for being accused of having instigated the mob. The court, however, has acquitted him as well. One case is still pending in the juvenile court. My colleague Kishalai Bhattacharjee now joining me from Guwahati with more on this. Kishalai, we saw this case really not just rock Guwahati but much of the country when it happened. The kind of brazenness that one saw on the streets where this girl was pulled out of that pub, dragged on the street, heckled and assaulted by this mob. People were picked up. It was all filmed on tape, and yet we see this kind of an acquittal.
Excuse me. Yes, Maya. I think it's been a little disappointing because, it was for everyone to see what exactly happened on the street. For about 40 minutes, she was assaulted, more than anything else, and by a huge number of people. The video footage was available. That was clinching evidence. But I don't think so the charge sheet that the police actually framed were non-bailable ones, and that is why the court actually couldn't convict them under the non-bailable section. They were charged. 11 of these 16 who have been convicted in bailable sections out of the 4 charges they have, which will be running concurrently. So 11 of them have been given 2 years of imprisonment, but that's bailable. And this is the Chief Judicial Magistrate's Court, which is the lower court in the city. They can now go to the High Court for bail, which they will be moving today, I'm told. Not really exemplary punishment as one expected, but when I spoke to the investigators, the police, they said that at least one positive thing is that it was fast track, and very swift conviction was given. So generally in such cases, it takes years, months for the courts to actually convict. In this case, this incident happened on 9th of July. So that they are saying is going to send a signal at least to people. I also asked them that what did the prime accused or the reporter, others, say in their interrogation. They said that yes, it was mob frenzy, and the prime accused himself regretted what he did. They could not find any clinching evidence against the reporter, who has been acquitted. The reporter was present, we know, in that place when the incident started. He asked for a camera to be brought out there, and he filmed the entire thing, and it was aired on his channel. But the court really could not find anything, any evidence to really convict him, and he has been acquitted. So 16 people who were accused, 11 of them have been convicted, 2 years of imprisonment, running concurrently against 4 charges, but those are all bailable. Maya.
Right, Kishalai, thanks very much for joining us.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display, full screen view, faster response time, and Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.